I'm so thrilled with this little thing. Anything, I guess, electro-mechanical intrigues me. So we've still got the joystick doing the controlling. I've done some adjustments to get this thing pretty much, you know, in the default position. Now, pan, tilt. Now you go wee, wee, wee. Oh, it's just so much fun. I've ordered a camera to put in it, but you know, the resulting video will probably make you vomit. Still, so cool. Let me see if I can get in a bit closer. So that's pretty much 180 degrees, I'd reckon. The default position is a little bit low, so but that goes, yeah, I think that's pretty much 180. This is 180, but it's not actually starting off at 90, if you know what I mean. It turns further this way than it does that way, but that's just the way the servos are. So much fun. I know. Toys and silly old men. But it's fun. Especially when you go and then you throw up. Alright.